Yo, it's like 3:50 in the morning and there's a thunderstorm. It was raining a little bit earlier, then it stopped, it came back again, and then not too long ago I started to hear some thunder. And I had my light on. Ooh, that's awesome. I had my light on, my charger in my iPads. I turned it all off. Better be safe than sorry. And as proven, there's a storm. I had my window open but I closed it, but I forgot to thingy. Pull the handle down. You can hear the birds because they're waking up now. But they're probably still sat in the trees because they get stuck because otherwise they'll get struck by lightning and become like a crispy chicken. You can hear the rain. Hoping to get some more lightning. At first when I heard the rumbling I thought it was a helicopter or something just flying overhead. But then it's just like really long windows. I was like, oh, it's probably just circling around like a police helicopter or something. And I looked out to try and see if I could see anything, and I couldn't, so I was like, it's probably behind the clouds because it's dark. And then I saw a flash. I'm like, is that a thunderstorm? And then, oh yeah, well, later it flashed again. So it is a thunderstorm. Any minute now you'll hear it rumble. So long. The end of the rumble there, it just made it sound like a low helicopter or plane going over. That's what I originally thought, because it wasn't as loud earlier on. When it was flashing earlier, I didn't see any like strikes. It was just like something illuminating the sky, but obviously the lightning. Now I'm seeing some streaks. Oh look, their light turned on. Probably a cat or something. I'm trying to just try and buck that out in a minute. I missed it. I turned away because of the freaking stupid neighbor's light or whatever across from me. Oh, that was done on purpose, wasn't it? Oh, that was a weak rumble. That light down there is bugging me. I don't want to turn away in case there's thunder, lightning striking around here later. I feel like Jay's up to something. What are you doing, Jay? Causing a thunderstorm at 3 in the morning. I mean, like I was asleep anyways. Ah, finally it's gone off. Yeah, I'm still... I jinxed it. Yeah, I'm still awake at this time. Probably gonna be awake for like another hour or something. Speaking of which, my iPad's gone off. I was in the middle of talking to someone. Yeah, YouTube deleted my comments. It'll probably take him a while to reply anyways. Could I get any more lightning? I'm hoping for a shocker. Pun not intended, by the way. They say lightning never strikes in the same place twice. But it probably does. Just like, I don't know, lightning strikes and like 100 years later it will strike in that place again. You know, because it was so long ago. Finally, it's gone off. Let's see if we can get any more lightning, huh? I think it's dying down a bit now. It doesn't sound like it's raining as much. Never mind. We got some more lightning. I'm just gonna wait for the rumble. Any second now. Wonder how loud this one's gonna be. It sounded like a gust of wind. That was kind of pathetic. That got me eating my words, didn't it? Okay, maybe not as pathetic. I love thunderstorms though. One of my favorite natural disasters. Call me crazy, but you know, as bad as lightning thunderstorms can be, they're just so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna wrap up there now. We've seen a lot of lightning for one night. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon.